Media, Information, and Literacy, Quarter 3, Module 3 to 4. Topic is Responsible Use of Media and Information, Evolution of Traditional to New Media. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang ating Module 1 to 2, ilalagay ko na rin sa ating video description. So, magsisimula muna tayo sa ating pre-test. Write the word true if the statement is correct and false if not. So, gamitin lang kayo ng inyong pad paper para mailagay yung mga questions and answer. Pero okay lang sa akin kahit answer na lang yung ilagay nyo. So, since this is pre-test, ayan, let's check your answer. For number 1 to number 2, that is false. 3 to 4 is true. 5 false. 6 true. 7 to 9 is false. Then number 10, that is true. So, let us start with the definition of terms. Ayan. So, una muna ay ang ating digital. So, let us start with the definition of terms. First is digital access. This is the ability to fully participate in digital society. Okay, when we say digital society, meaning tayo ay nasa internet or naka-login sa ating mga social media account. So, when we say we have digital access, nakikita natin or na-review natin kung ano yung nandoon sa loob ng ating mga social media. We also have digital literacy, the ability to use digital technology, communication tools, or networks to locate, evaluate, use, and create information. So, pag tayo ay digital literate, kayang-kaya natin gawin yung mga bagay na to with the use of technology. Next is etiquette. Properties of conduct as established in any class or community or for any occasion. Ayan. So, pag etiquette kasi, it is more on your attitudes sa community natin. Next is plain-noir. This is a series of angry, critical, or disparaging comments by two or more people in an ongoing online argument. Pag plain-noir, ito yung madalas na nagsasagutan sa online, di ba, yung mga nag-aaway. So, ang tawag doon is plain-noir. Next, meron tayong tinatawag ng netiquette, set of rules for behaving properly online. We also have electronic age. Began when electronic equipment, including computers, came into use. Ayan, so, ang electronic age, ayan na yung nagkaroon na tayo ng mga computer, TV, radio, okay? We also have industrial age. People use the power of steam, develop machine tools, establish iron production, and manufactured various products. So later on, i-discuss natin to. Next is new media. Refers to content organized and distributed on digital platforms. So yung mga new media na kino-consider dito is yung ating Facebook. Okay? Basta any online tool or online website na kung saan bibigay ng information. We also have new information age, an idea that the current age is characterized by creating a knowledge-based society surrounded by a high-tech computerization. It is also known as the computer age, digital age, or new media age. So, ayan na tayo ngayon, the 21st century. Traditional media refers to the traditional means of communication and expression that have existed since before the advent of the internet. So, yung ating mga traditional media, meron tayong mga newspaper, pwede rin ang television, ang radio. Okay, so meron din tayong pre-industrial age, time before there were machine and tools to help perform tasks. So, let's discuss the responsible use of media and information. We define digital literacy or technology literacy as the ability of an individual, either working independently or with others, to responsibly, appropriately, and effectively use technological tools. So this concept has something to do with issues arising in digital world. With the growing trend in the use of technology, cases of unethical use are also surging up. So, kailangan matutunan tayo sa ating pagiging responsible, especially online. With this concern, ethical use of media and information should be given great emphasis to inculcating digital citizenship, starting with digital access. Okay, so tayo pala ay ang mga digital citizenship or digital citizens. Tayo yung may mga access sa digital world. So, digital access refers to the ability to fully participate in digital society. So, this includes access to tools and technologies such as the internet and computer that allow for full participation. Having full access to technology requires continuously developing norms of appropriate, responsible, and empowered technology use, which refers to digital citizenship. So let's take a look at the 9 elements of digital citizenship. So these are the 9 elements of digital citizenship. We have digital health and wellness, which focus in physical and psychological well-being in a digital world. When we say digital security naman, it is an electronic precautions to guarantee safety. Next is digital rights and responsibilities. Those freedoms extend to everyone in a digital world. While the digital literacy, teaching and learning about technology and its use. The digital law focuses on electronic responsibility for action and needs. Digital etiquette, it is an electronic standard of conduct or procedure. Digital communication is electronic exchange of information. And digital commerce is electronic buying and selling of goods. Then the last is we have digital access, means full electronic participation in society. Digital citizenship and digital etiquette. Digital citizenship also includes digital etiquette, which pertains to electronic standard of conduct or procedures and has to do with the process of thinking about others when using digital device. So, si digital citizenship, lagi niya talagang kasama si digital etiquette. Kasi kailangan tayo as a person, hindi lang tayo basta click ng click or post ng post online. Kailangan we have this so-called netiquette or digital etiquette. It is recognizing online proper conduct is a must and it has something to do with netiquette. Okay, so yung pag-uugali natin, yung attitude natin online. So according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, it's defined the netiquette as a set of rules about the proper and polite way to communicate with other people using the internet. So these are the common issues in the digital world such as bashing and online bullying occurs due to improper conduct online. So ayan, di ba madalas ngayon sa ating Facebook, laging may mga nag-aaway, nakakalimutan nila yung kanilang mga netiquette. So, as a responsible online user, the following 4 rules should be taken into consideration. Rule number 1 is remember daily man. Next is adhere to the same standard of behavior online that you follow in real life. Rule number 3, know where you are in a cyberspace. 4, respect others' people's time and bandwidth. Next, make yourself look good online. 6. Share expert knowledge. 7. Help keep flame wars under control. 8. Respect others people's privacy. 9. Don't abuse your power. And last, be forgiving of other people's mistakes. So with that, let's have our activity based on your reading. Answer the following. Number 1, how important internet and technology in the society? Next, what are the dangers that may result from abusing technology? And last, how do you see the concept of proper online conduct in today's time? So as a promise, since kayo ay lagi nanonood sa aking YouTube channel, whenever we have an activity, we also have a sample answer. Moving on to our activity 2, Digital citizenship is an essential concept for every online user because, so pakidugtungan na lang yung question natin si number 1. Number 2, we need to bear in mind the Netiquette rules every time we are in contact with the digital world because, next number, the best way to be a responsible online user are, of course, meron tayong answer ulit sa ating activity number 2. Learning is never ending. The more information we have, the more we seek for more. With the birth of technology, access to information comes at the tip of our fingers. So meaning, yung ating mga informations, assignments, or yung mga data na gusto nating hanapin, lahat yan is napakadali na lang ma-search because of internet. Pero nakalagay dito, however, despite of this leisure technology offers, people tend to abuse it, resulting to human conflict. Proper online conduct is a must every time in contact with the digital world to avoid unpleasant situations. So marami pa rin kasi yung nag-aabuso sa ating online. Maraming online bullying na nagaganap, mga flame wars. So kailangan talaga meron tayong netiquette or the proper online conduct. So let's discuss the evolution of media. Social media changed us. People's ways of living is a reflection of boundless limitation of media from prehistoric age down to digital age. Media evolution can be described through 4 stages. So ito yung ating una, pre-industrial age. So this is before 1700. People discover fire, develop paper from plants, and forge weapons and tools with stone, bronze, copper, and iron. Mga example dito, we have cave paintings, clay tablets, clay codex, printing press using wood blocks, and more. And the next is we have industrial age, that is 1700 to 1930. People use the power of steam, develop machine, establish iron production, and the manufacturing of various products, including books through the printing press. Ayan, so meron na tayo ditong printing press for mass production, punch card, telegraph, telephone, typewriter, and more. Next is electronic age from 1930 to 1980s. The invention of transistor ushered in the electronic age. People harnessed the power of transistors that led to the transistor radio, electronic circuit, and early computer. So in this age, long-distance communication become more efficient. So ayan, meron na tayo dito ang transistor radio, mainframe, personal computer, television, LCD projector, and more. Information age from 1900 to 2000. So the internet paved the way for faster communication and the creation of social network. People advanced the use of microelectronics with the invention of personal computers, mobile devices, and wearable technology. Moreover, voice, image, sound, and data are digitalized. We are now living in the information age. So yung ating era for today, that is exactly what information age is all about. We have web browser, explorer, blogs, live journals, WordPress, and more. As time passes by, media evolved. Nevertheless, its primary role remains unchanging. Its development from traditional to new media brought us so much convenience. When we ask of traditional media, it refers to the traditional means of communication and expression that have existed since before the advent of the internet. New media refers to the content organized and distributed on digital platforms. So let's now have our independent activities. Activity number 3. Given the available media that we now have in the world, what are its roles and functions in a democratic society? Number 2. In what way does media affect your life? And number 3, evolution of media is divided into. So dahil nanonood ka, Teacher Zhai, we have a sample answers. Now, let us now proceed with our assessment. Okay, for assessment number 4 to 7, and assessment number 8 to 10. And as promised, we also have assessment answers. So kung tingin mo nakatulong sa inyo ang vlog na to, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga posts ko. Thank you!